10 times 5 gives us 50, and 50 times 2 is 100, and 1000 divided by 100 is equal to 10. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, which I am going to write here the rule. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, right? The parentheses are the first thing to solve, and it is priority number 1. And priority number 2 is exponent. The second thing to solve is exponent, and then the third thing to solve is multiplication or division, and finally we have to solve addition or subtraction. So here is where most people get the wrong answer. They think multiplication comes before division, therefore multiplication have higher priority than division. But that is wrong, because both multiplication or division have equal priority, right? They are on the same priority rank and they are equal priority. And when we encounter this problem in one equation, we have to solve the problem left to right. So this is the right way to solve the equation to get the correct answer every single time. Meaning we have to start from 1000 and divide that by 10, and we are going to multiply them. So that is the right order, because since multiplication or division have equal priority, we are going to solve them in order left to right. So let's solve the problem together and arrive at the correct solution. So 1000 divided by 10 gives us 100, and 100 times 5 times 2 is going to be the next equation, and 100 times 5 gives us 500, and 500 times 2 is equal to 1000. So the final answer to this question is 1000.